video for y'all, and today is another unboxing video because we're in quarantine and y'all liked my last one, so I just decided to do it again. This one is a little bit shorter because I didn't really order that much stuff because it's gotta save for coins, you feel me? But yeah, so I'm gonna open this stuff for y'all, but before I go ahead and do that, I want to talk about the hair, like give y'all a little update, because I've gotten a lot of compliments, and I love it too, so I'm happy that other people like it just as much as I do. I like the wig, but again, like I said, from first impressions, like it does get tangled very easily. And so with that being said, you have to brush it more. And when you brush it more, it sheds a lot. So those are like my two main things that like I really don't like about the wig, is that it tangles super easy and it sheds a lot. And right here, you can't really tell, but right here, it's like a bump in my head. And you would think that it's my hair, but it's not. It's just like the wig is too big, and I said that before, like it's a big wig, and I feel like I have a fairly big head, so the wig is really big and it has like a little bump. You can it's barely noticeable, but it's just something that I noticed that I don't like as well. So that's the update on this wig, but other than that, I absolutely love it. The color is like, wow, like I should have got an ash blonde wig a while ago. Like this is my favorite. Like I'm so in love, and I've gotten so many compliments, and I just feel like a freaking pretty Barbie doll all the time. Like whenever I look in the mirror, like I'm just like, like just feeling myself, because I really love this wig. All right, without further ado, that's the update on the wig. Just want to let y'all know how that was going. Let's go ahead and open these boxes because there isn't a lot of boxes. So what I'm gonna do is smallest to largest. And the smallest one, I guess, is this. They're not all from Amazon. They're kind of from like all over. But my first package is this. I don't really buy people's lashes. I just feel like personally, beauty supply store lashes does me well. Like they do the job for me personally. So I don't really buy expensive lashes. But if you guys don't know, I really like Flex the Reaper. She has a bunch of like stripper vlogs, and I just really like her as a person. I think she's pretty dope. And I went ahead and supported and bought some of her lashes because they were really cute. Like I always see her in her videos wear like her lashes, and I thought they were always super cute. And her lashes are really affordable. They were only $10 each, so I got two. And I'm not exactly sure what styles they are. I know I got one called Boy Bye and one called Lavish, but I'm not sure which one is which. But I'm gonna show y'all anyway. So these are the lashes, like super dramatic, super cute. Like I like that type of stuff. Like I love dramatic lashes, like the ones where you look like you could fly away. Like I like those. So I'm super excited to try these out. I'm probably not gonna do it anytime soon. This is more for like after quarantine, like when I'm out and I'm poppy, and probably with like that black wig that I did a review on. So yeah, I got some really cute lashes. And this one, it is my little Kiss nail kit, because you're about to see, but I ordered some nail things so that I can do my nails, because sister, what is this? What is this? Like, what is this? And this one's only discolored. Like somebody told me, talk about some, oh, it's because you need to take your nails off and wait for a while. This one only looks like that discoloration, because of the way that it broke. Like it broke off, so it looks a little weird. But yeah, my nails need to be done. It's way over time. This is so ratchet and I cannot deal with this. So I bought this, and y'all are gonna see in the video, I'm going to attempt to do my own acrylics for the first time ever in my life. Next, so that is what this is right here. It should be my nail kit. It is a little small, so I'm a little confused about that, because it's supposed to have like the LED lamp thing and everything for the gel nail polish. So this is all what's in here. It is my nail cutter. Can y'all see that? Nail cutter, so that I can get like a precise length. I like my nails really long, really ratchet. That's just me, whatever. I bought a little drill. I don't know how this is gonna go, but it was $20 versus all the other ones were really freaking expensive. So I bought a nail drill so that I can drill my nails. Next is, these are acrylics. I know y'all can't really see them, but they are clear coffin shaped acrylics, because Coffin shape is my shape of choice. Like, I love coffin nails. So I just bought them like pre-shaped. That way I don't have to work as hard, because as a beginner, like, who got time? Or I don't have time for that. So yeah. Also, unrelated, but I got this book that I saw on TikTok, and it's called Burn After Writing. And I want to show y'all a few things that's in this book. It's basically like a book for your thoughts and everything. I used to journal a lot growing up, and I kind of lost touch with that, and I kind of want to get back into that because I have a lot of thoughts and a lot of feelings and stuff, and sometimes you can't really go to anybody. So yeah, I want to start journaling again. And basically they just have like a bunch of like little writing prompts. Like this one says, if I could have a conversation today with one person from history, it would be, or my life quote, the one relationship I would like to fix, like stuff like that. So I got this book from Amazon. It was only like $8 and some change. So I will have the link below if you guys are interested in buying this book. And then lastly, like, I'm just trying to figure out, why is this so small? Like, this is supposed to be like my lamp and everything. So I'm a little confused, honestly, truly. Like, nobody said it was gonna be small. It looked big on the picture, so I'm just confused. So it comes in this, it says beauty. They have clippers, they have cuticle oil, they have remover, like wipes for like the oil on your hand, on your fingernails, so you can like take the pad and remove the oil. They have files, this thing, a brush, the hand or feet separator. Like, it just has a lot. It has all types of tools and everything you would need to do nails in this package. And then next in here is a bunch of colors. Like, all of this is a bundle. I will also have it linked below because you know I got you, girl. But yeah, this one came with all these nail polishes. Sadly, they don't really like say what they are. They all look the same, so I'm gonna have a hard time figuring out what color is what. But all these little gel nail polishes come in this kit, so you don't even have to worry about buying polish to begin with, like for the beginning, until you get the hang of it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to open these and figure out what color. So this is one of the colors. I love lavender, so this is cute to me. But that's that. And then lastly, in here, I would assume this is the little light. I didn't know that it would be this tiny. Like, this is tiny. But this had good reviews, or decent reviews, so I figured why not, because I don't want to spend all my coins on nail stuff to even like suck at it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not about to go spend $200, $300 on all this nail stuff when I'm beginning, like I'm learning, so there's no point. But this is the LED light 4 gel. It's super tiny. I didn't expect it. I guess you like flip these some type of way so that it will stand and you can put your nail under it. I can't really figure it out right this second. I'm probably gonna have my boyfriend open it for me, but this is the nail lamp. Super small, super portable. So that's good. I guess it's portable. But yeah, so that's my nail stuff. I have all of that linked below. Because it's quarantine, nobody really knows how long this is gonna last, and I can't take this anymore. Like, I can't do this no more. So sis, I'm gonna do it myself. Lastly is this box right here. I know what these are, and oh my gosh, I have been waiting for this. Like, quick story time while I open the box. So I've been wanting these Uggs for like months, like 2 months, I think. It's been 2 months. And they've always been sold out. The color that I want, which is ribbon red, you will see. They're so fire. And they've been sold out. One night, because of quarantine, my sleep schedule is messed up. One night, it's 3 a.m. I think it's almost 4. It's like 3:40, I think, in the morning. I just so happened to tell myself, go look at the Ugg page and go see if they have your shoes in stock. Tell me why there was one pair in my size left. And guess who got it? Me. But it's just so crazy that that happened at almost 4 a.m. but something was like nagging me to go check the website because I would keep checking and it would say out of stock, and they would have every other color but the color that I want. Like, what? So yeah, these are Uggs. I've been wanting these for a really long time. I shouldn't have, but I did treat myself. Who cares? Boo-hoo. So yeah, these are the shoes. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're so soft, and they're just so fire. I'm about to paint my toes. I got white in this little baggie. There is white gel polish. And I love white toes. Like, I've been doing white toes since 2016. And I don't care what nobody say. I love my toes white. So white toes with my new Uggs, my weed, and then I'm about to do my nails. Psh, can't tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me nothing, okay? But yeah, this is the shoe. It was between the red ones and lilac, because lilac is my current favorite color right now, but I had to have the red ones. Like, I had to. These are so bomb. I'm actually about to put it on my feet, but I'm not gonna show you guys because my feet look scary. Like, it's scary. I don't know, it's something magical about online shopping to me. Okay, I walked around the house for a little bit and I'm back, and we're gonna go ahead and close this video. The last thing I bought, I'm not gonna show y'all on this because literally right after this video, I'm going to do this haul. So I bought a bunch of stuff from Missguided, and I'm about to do a Missguided try on haul. After this, I'm not buying anything else. The only thing I've been thinking about, I have a cart for, is stuff that I'm trying to sample for my business that I'm thinking about doing. So what I want to do is everything that I sell, I want to personally wear it, test it out, try it, and then figure out if that's something that I want to sell to my customers. So yeah, hopefully I'm in the process of doing all of that, and hopefully I'm praying that I could have my business by like next year is my goal. But I want to sample every single thing that I want to put on my website, so I'm starting that kind of now, like slowly but surely starting all that now, trying to figure out what exactly I want to sell, marketing, logos, all of that good stuff. And yeah, so that's like the only thing I'll probably buy other than that. Like, all this little other shopping, I'm not really doing any more major shopping. A lot of the things that I have bought was for investments. Like, my sewing machine was an investment. My nail stuff is an investment because I continuously go to the nail salon, and if I can do it myself, then I don't no longer have to pay someone to do my nails. So yeah, I do my own hair. My hair is an investment, I guess, because I do my own hair. So I just have to buy the hair to do it myself. So yeah, I mean, I don't really go too crazy with the shopping. The Missguided, I'm gonna tell y'all why I had to get the Missguided in the Missguided video, but this is it. I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn the post notification bell on, and also follow me on social media because you're gonna see me in my fluffy Uggs and my cute wig and my nails did on my social media. I'm just really excited, guys. I've been toe up for a while now because of quarantine, and I'm finally starting to feel pretty again. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, my Missguided video. Don't miss it. I love you guys.